Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E13, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications, extend the list, and locate the hotspot toggle. Now if you don't see it anywhere, I don't myself, so if you don't, click on this pencil right here, and hopefully you can find it in the toggles that are turned off, and there it is. As you can see, hotspot. Once you see this toggle, hold it and drag it over to the top, drop it, and when you go back you should have access to it from the toggle list now. So when you see it right here, hold it again. This will quickly take you to the settings. You only need to do this once, and the reason I'm mentioning this is because right here under hotspot password you will find that the password is randomly generated. So what I recommend doing is tapping on this field and then removing the old password, and from there insert your own password that you want to use. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can confirm it. And that's really the only thing that I would recommend changing. I would also recommend keeping this option on right here, so turn off hotspot automatically. So this will turn it off whenever it's not being used for like 10 minutes or so. So basically once you're done with it and you forget about it, the phone will turn it off for you. And the reason that might be important is because hotspot does consume a little bit more of your battery when it's running. So if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. So there we go. Now from here, once it's all set up, you can just find the toggle, tap on it to turn it on, and you're done. Now you can use your hotspot. And once you're done with it, you can also turn it off yourself by simply tapping on the toggle once again. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.